Natick High School is an urban, suburban public high school serving students in grades 9 to 12 in Natick, Massachusetts. The school is located on the banks of Dug Pond. It enrolled 1,603 students as of the 2015-16 school year. The original building was built in 1953 at approximately 189,000 square feet. 17,600 square meters, and opened in 1954. The building was expanded in 1965. Additional 94,000 square feet. Additional renovations took place in 1985. In 2010, the town voted to replace the Natick High School building. The new facility was constructed on the fields immediately to the south of the former building. Demolition on the former building began on June 25, 2012. The new building design is based on a model approved by the state of Massachusetts. This was necessary in order to maximize state reimbursement for design and construction. It cost $78 million. The new high school opened to students on August 29, 2012. The Arts at Natick High. Natick High School Drama produces 2 full-length plays each year, usually presenting a full-scale musical in the fall semester and a more intimate straight play review, a theatrical event in the spring. In the winter, students have the option of staging a completely student-run, student-acted, student-directed piece as well. The Natick High School speech team is an award-winning, nationally recognized speech and debate team. The team has won the Massachusetts Forensic League state championship and has had multiple state and national champions. Each year, the Natick High School speech team sends students to the National Catholic Forensic League Grand National Tournament and occasionally sends competitors to the National Forensic League National Speech and Debate Tournament as well. The Natick High School music program provides students with a rich selection of vocal and instrumental ensembles including concert choir and symphonic band, both offering an honors designation. Other musical ensembles include jazz band, chamber singers, all-female vocal ensemble, men of style, all-male vocal ensemble, and Seven's Not Enough, co-ed a cappella group. Each year, Natick High sends vocalists and instrumentalists to the Junior District Festival, Senior District Festival and All-State Music Festival. Historically, Natick High's musical ensembles have had success at the Massachusetts Instrumental and Choral Conductors Association, MICCA, competition, winning gold medals. Notable alumni of Natick High's theater program, speech team and music programs include William Finn, Allison Fraser, Jonathan Richman and Mark Terenzi. Athletics at Natick High. Natick High School offers 17 sports for boys and 19 for girls. Natick's football team has made USA Today's Top 25 list a total of 3 times. In 1982, No. 23, 1983, No. 10, and 1984, No. 13. The Sassamon. The Sassamon was the school newspaper that was published 4 times a year. In December, February, April, and June. It eventually became the annual yearbook. The Sassamon was named after John Sassamon, the Native American aide of John Eliot, missionary. Notable alumni. Joni Bartels is the first female children's music artist to receive RIAA Gold Record certification, awarded for her album Lullaby Magic. Joe Coleman, former MLB player, Washington Senators, Detroit Tigers, Chicago Cubs, Oakland Athletics, Toronto Blue Jays, Pittsburgh Pirates, San Francisco Giants. Paul Delegato is the chief meteorologist for Fox 13 WTVT in Tampa and a contributor to the Fox News Channel. Is a 1978 graduate of Natick High. William Finn is a Tony Award-winning lyricist and musical theatre composer. Doug Flutie, who played football, basketball, and baseball at the school, went on to play football at Boston College and won the Heisman Trophy in 1984. His career continued in the NFL and Canadian Football League before retiring after the 2005 season with the New England Patriots. Alison Fraser is a well-known stage actress and a two-time Tony Award nominee for her roles in The Secret Garden and Romance. Dottie Green was a female catcher who played from 1943 through 1947 in the All-American Girls Professional Baseball League. Walt Riniak, Major League Baseball player, Atlanta Braves, San Diego Padres. Augustin Ogmandino, 1923 to 1995, was the self-help inspirational author of 22 books and, at last count, has sold more than 25 million copies. He was born in Framingham and a 1940 graduate of Natick High School, where he was an editor of the high school newspaper, the Sassamon. Quote, Jonathan Richman is a singer-songwriter and former frontman of the Modern Lovers who graduated from Natick High. He featured an instrumental track entitled Maybe a Walk Home from Natick High School on his solo album Her Mystery Knot of High Heels and Eyeshadow. Jim Riley graduated from Natick High School and went on to become drummer and band leader for the award-winning country band Rascal Flatts. Mark Terenzi of the boy band Natural is a graduate of Natick High School, where he experienced early success in the music program. Gerald Eustace Thomas was the second African American to become a Rear Admiral in the U.S. Navy. He went on to serve as ambassador to Guyana and Kenya, and master of Davenport College. Frank Variccioni, born 1932. College All-American and five-time Pro Bowl professional football player. Steelers, Rams. Footnotes. School website. New Natick High School Building Project. Natick High School Modernization Report. 2001. R. F. Walsh Feasibility Study. 2009.